Go ahead.
36th District Court, State of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating, no sleeping, no talking, no gum chewing, no smoking, no laying down, no lounging, no driving or riding in a vehicle. Please keep your devices on mute until you are addressed by one of the courthouse staff. Also, keep your devices on a level surface so that you may be seen on screen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Ben Willis, you can unmute yourself, Mr. Benjamin Willis.
Hello.
Hello. These are the matters of the people versus Benjamin Willis. This is ticket number P11588661. One Commons Road, unregistered or untitled vehicle. Also, is that the only one on the docket?
That is the only one on the docket today, Your Honor. He took care of the 2 civil infractions this morning. He paid those.
All right. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P70578, on behalf of Mr. Willis. State your full name for the record, sir.
Benjamin Willis.
Your Honor, we would like to ask that this misdemeanor matter be dismissed for the recommendation of the people. We stipulate to probable cause.
At this time, I do have a recommendation for dismissal of this, because you paid the other 2 tickets, civil infractions, sir, so we're gonna dismiss this one, okay?
Okay,
You're
thank
all
you.
set. You're welcome. This concludes this hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Malcolm Young, I'm going to call your matter next.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning. This is the matter of the people versus Malcolm Young. This is ticket number P11678878. 1 count leave scene of accident, personal injury, 1 count no insurance misdemeanor, 1 count careless driving. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield, on behalf of Mr. Young. State your full name for the record, sir.
Malcolm Young.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial. The officer has failed to appear in this matter. We'd like to make a motion to dismiss all 3 counts.
Okay. And then, officer, is any officer present on the Malcolm Young matter? Seeing none and looking in the breakout rooms and seeing none, it is 10:19 a.m. The court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. What that means, Mr. Young, is that today you're all set. They do have the right to refile this if they want to, but as of right now, you are good to go, okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
No problem. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you, Ms. Bradfield.
You welcome, sir.
Take care.
You too.
All right. Ms. Withers?
Your Honor, if we could pass on Ms. Withers, I'm just finding out there's a supplemental report to this matter, and the prosecutor's going to be sending it to me shortly.
Okay, all right, we'll pass on that matter.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Ms. Jacomovic.
Yes, I'm here.
This is the matter of the people versus Marilyn Yakumovich. This is V ticket 1217112. Count 1, no dog license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield, on behalf of Ms. Yakumovich. State your full name for the record, please.
Marilyn Yakumovich.
Your Honor, she also has 7 other matters. It's a total of 8 tickets. V121712221. Also, there's 71321, 71421, 71521, 71621, 71721, and 71821. For purposes of arraignment, she stand mute and waive formal readings on all 8.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on her behalf.
Thank you, Your Honor. We'd like to ask that all 8 matters be set for trial date.
It's gonna be a bench or a jury trial.
Actually, if we could set it for a pretrial date, I believe the matter will be resolved at pretrial date.
Okay.
She's going to be emailing the court by next court date her documentation. I gave her the court's email address, your courtroom's email address.
Ooh. You know that password? Oh, so here it is. Do I have a password for the email address? All right, I'll try and find that password. I don't necessarily have that one, but okay. I'm gonna set this matter for a pretrial on February the 14th of 2022 at 8:30 a.m. As long as you get the documentation over to us, they're usually pretty good about allowing this matter to be resolved. So, the next court date is going to be 2/14/2022 at 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on each ticket in this particular matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Did you need to go back into the breakout room? I'm gonna open them up. Ms. Withers, you need to go back into the breakout room to talk to the attorney? Oh, it already took her back in there.
We're ready to proceed, Your Honor.
All right. This is the matter of the people versus Shantae Withers. This is case or ticket number 722726, count 1, operating while impaired in motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield, on behalf of Ms. Withers, state your full name for the record, ma'am.
Shantae Withers.
Your Honor, Ms. Withers would like to ask that this matter be set for a jury trial. I would also like to ask that a counsel be appointed for her if it's found that she cannot afford one.
Okay. Are you on any type of tether right now?
No, ma'am.
What happened to the pregnancy?
I'm not sure why did they state that I was never pregnant.
You said what? Speak up.
I said I'm not sure why they stated that I was never pregnant. Not to my knowledge, I was not pregnant.
There's no alcohol. You are to have no alcohol right now while you're out. Okay? No illegal drugs.
I'm sorry.
I said no any of that. Let me find a trial date. All right. Ms. Willis, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Withers, you had the opportunity to speak with the attorney in private today about your case and about your rights, correct?
Correct.
She's advising me that you would like to have a jury trial where 6 members of the community will come in and decide this matter. Is that correct?
Correct.
So I'm going to set this for a jury trial on the date of March the 15th of 2022. That's going to be at 1:30 in the afternoon, 1:30 p.m. You're going to be in person for that jury trial, so you're going to have to come down physically to the court for that particular matter. We will have a pre-trial, a final pre-trial in this matter the day before on, that's the Tuesday. That's fine. All right, so we're gonna have to make that on the 14th instead. March 14th is going to be the actual day of the jury trial. It's still gonna be at 1:30 in the afternoon as we're trying something new, getting jurors in here later in the day. Right. February 28th will be your final conference. That will be via Zoom. So you will log on via Zoom the same way that you came on today to make sure that we are all set and ready to go to trial on that following Monday. Hold on, let me make sure I give you the right dates. All right, I like to do mine the Friday before, because 2 weeks out is a little far for me. So the Friday before,
And you said March 11th?
March 11th, yes. Sign on through Zoom. We're gonna do it at 10 a.m. I'm gonna have to get you assigned counsel, so I'm gonna need your information. I'm gonna send you a chat right now. I need you to give me your address, and a good phone number.
Okay.
Are you able to afford counsel? Are you gonna try and get your own counsel, Ms. Withers?
I'm not able to afford one.
Okay, are you currently employed?
Yeah,
Okay, how many hours a week do you work?
9 to 10.
Huh?
9 to 10 hours.
Okay, all right. I sent you a chat. Did you get the chat?
Yes, I'm writing back to it.
Okay, thank you.
And you say what day I have to appear in court in person?
In person, you'll be here on March the 14th, 2022, and that's gonna be at 1:30 p.m.
Okay.
Okay? All right. And I did get that information, so let me make sure I write it down so I have it correct.
Are you guys gonna send a paper before it's my court date to
There
let
will
me
be
know?
paperwork sent out to you for the court date. If you would like reminders via the court website, you can go onto the court website, fergusondistrictcourt.org, and ask for a text message reminder. You will be sent notification about these because it is a trial. So, but you'll be contacted before then because we need to get you assigned to counsel. And I cannot assign that counsel, so I'm gonna forward this information to someone so that we can try and get you counsel, so that we can get you counsel for these particular matters, okay?
Okay.
All right, are you doing any testing at all, or no?
I'm sorry?
Are you doing any testing at all for alcohol?
No.
Okay. No alcohol, no nothing, no illegal substances while you're awaiting this, okay? Right. Was there a bond set in this matter, ma'am? Do you remember? Were you arrested and released?
No.
Yeah.
No. No.
No? Okay.
No.
I'm gonna set a bond at $0 personal. Any contact with the police and you come back before me, I'm going to change the bond, just so you know, okay?
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further. This does conclude this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. And you have her telephone number and address, Your Honor?
I do. She gave me her telephone number and address in the chat, so I have both of those things.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You're all set then. You can log off, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day.